Rolling down a backwoods, Tennessee byway. One arm on the wheel. It is Tuesday, January 14, 2024, 2:12 p.m. here on the Swatch Watch. Frozen tundra, farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. Currently feels like -1 outside. So we got that going for us, but the sun is out. And soon I'll have the guns out when we're hanging out in Puerto Vallarta. Why do you can't say that ever? Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Leaving bright and early on Friday morning, so I will miss you. I will actually miss you, but I will be enjoying walks on the beach, laps in the pool, a little bit of a couples massage or two, maybe a few drinks. I don't know. Could be. So that's exciting. And we're up $22,386 today, clawing our way back from a befuddling that went on yesterday. Got body bagged all around, but we're going to come back. What do we have here? Two of our leap positions are now in the green. Hello. And all of them will be. Write it down because it's true. Girl, you know it. I'm down 2 positions from yesterday. Did I add anything? I just added some shares to my uranium pile. Looks like it's going down nicely. Our 2 times uranium was in the positive earlier today, but it is just, they're being stubborn. Not as stubborn as TLT/TMF, but I did sell off. I should say I did get stopped out of my BitX, which is a 2 times directional ETF on Bitcoin. And let's just go to the spreadsheet so you can see what I wrote here. So we did get stopped out on the BitX. I expected to. I was aggressive with my stop loss where I set it exactly at $55 because I think it got as high as, I don't know, 55.20 or so today. And as it was in that range, I put the $55 stop in, and it was less than a minute later, and I was stopped out of there. But I did pocket $11,550. So very nice. We're 2 for 2 on our Bitcoin trades thus far this year. So forget about the other ones. Here's a bad sell. You see what I wrote there? Bad sell. And I don't know what happened. I honestly don't. Probably was talking to lady at the time while simultaneously trying to put a stop loss in on GDXU, and I somehow clicked sell. So I sold for $31.52, and GDXU is currently at $32.25. And it was even higher than that. Anyways, since we don't suffer from FOMO around here on these parts of the wealth snowball, then we'll just put the 1530 into our Velcro wallet, stuff that safely into our skinny jeans, and go about our day. But we did buy some more uranium URA ETF at 27.19. That brings our average now down to 27.39. And let's go check out some charts so we can, I think uranium's the last one on the list, but let's go through these. Meandering around here in silver, but making a little progress. Like to see that. Doesn't mean the cartel won't be back Friday trying to clobber us over the head with their suppression. But again, and we talked about this Friday when we talked about will they be able to bring it down under the 50-day moving average. This is silver futures. They were able to for sure do that, and then they reset that moving average, which we are now above. Let's stay above it. And let's keep rolling. What is this chart telling us? It's just telling us that there is a breakout coming soon, which is true. Same with gold. Looks like for some reason I was thinking silver was going to lead the way this time, but as per usual, looks like gold is going to lead us out of this kind of a quagmire that's been going on. And we've got that 2650 in place as super support, and we're heading back up towards that 2700. That's very nice. We talked about yesterday, would there be another low for the C, and that's what we got. We got exactly that. So that should be in. Now, again, it could meander sideways like TLT has been doing forever on us and can still make a lower low. We need 5. Looks like we only have 3, maybe working on the 4th wave. If we can get a higher high here, then maybe we can count 5 waves up off of the C low. Not C low green, but C low. GDX, it is looking pretty good, up 2.16% today. I put this on just to kind of draw a path. Obviously, we'll have to change time frames on this, but I was just putting this path in this morning just to show you that I'm still very, very bullish on the GDX, and I changed these zones to be the same color, kind of like gold. Yeah. So that's where I have the 3 targeted at that 1 extension. Down here at the 4. Hopefully you didn't hear too much of that sneeze. Would have blown your eardrums out. But so that is our path 3, 4, and then 5. We're currently in the meander stage here. What do we have? Where's your 2 at? I don't know. There's our 2. I don't know why it's not on the chart. Let's put it on there now. Let's put it on the board. Yes. Is that our 2? Maybe I had it over here. I don't know. No, didn't. Just talking to myself, musing myself. That's what we like to do around here. Oh, I see. So this is our 2. Little 2 action there. Let's make it yellow. And then move it over just a bit. All right, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what we're looking at there. GDX for this run to take us to around $39. Because, this chart will tell you we're going to 50, but first we got to take out 48. Well, let's first get to 39. And USO is trying to participate in my probability setup that the next move is down. It's not doing a whole lot at the moment. But I think, they're got a little nice Reddit candle action on. Oh, and look what we talked about yesterday. We're going to see that RSI coming back down to the average here, and then it'll turn that average down, and we should get back into what would look like, because if this kept going, you see it's got a little lift on it, should get back into that trading channel. Yeah. Let's see what happens. I mean, we could do this, but I want to see it come back in. Let's put it at the bottom there. Just talking out loud. Just talking out loud. That is the probable prediction. This one, oh, look at that. Got a little bit of action going on there. Let's just again move this over just to keep it into a better visual. My son has agreed to bring the garbage can in when he gets home from school. That's good because I don't want to go out there and freeze. Normally, I'm like a garbage can Nazi. I'm like, oh, what's that? Was that the garbage truck? And I'll run right out there while it's still fresh from just being picked up and put it right back in the garage. We do have that 5th lower low set there at around, it's supposed to be at 84. I think it's at, you can call it 84. Hopefully it doesn't get there. Let's hope it doesn't get there. Yeah, a little squiggle up on TMF. Let's get it to 37, then 38, then 39, because we are going to 50. I just couldn't tell you when. This is obviously blown up. Well, blown up, sir. So let's take that off the board. Let's go to the alternate, which is now renamed the Bitcoin chart. Clever name. And so this is where I put that stop in, probably on this red candle at this part of the day. And then it quickly stopped me out at 55 even because we were using BitX as a leveraged proxy. Does this mean I'm right? No, but I do have this 2 in here at the 38.2, between the 38.2 and the 50, down at around 94,000. Back is trying to told you that back problem of when I sneezed and like felt like somebody was stabbing me. Did go to the chiropractor and have had definite relief, but it's still like trying the spasm from time to time, but it hasn't gone into an actual spasm, which is nice. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, taking us back up around 100,000. That's the look over the next, I don't know, week. And SPX, aka S&P 500, what do we write here? Did I put this on yesterday? Trend line since July 23 high. And I just wanted to, I don't know why I like trend channels. I think they mean stuff. They've proven to mean things to me. And October 23 low. One thing is going to happen, is it going to break out or break down? I kind of think that we got a breakdown coming. I think we would call this I think we still need a 4-5, and we might be in that 4. What do I have here? I think I did some work on this. Not much. All I put in here was hold Friday's low or take out today's high, because this movement, I don't like the looks of that. So that could easily mean a lower low in the S&P 500 before it turns around. Uranium? No. Hello. Still meandering around here. I think we still have the low called here. I put this target box in today between, uranium's yellow, between the 1 extension and the 1618. So that is looking between, let's just say broadly between 30 and 32. Let's start making our way up. I don't even think we can count a full wave up yet. So we need 5 off of the low to confirm that is indeed the low. Okay, so that is our update for today. To the right of me, I have, I'm finishing up the Vikings-Rams game. Looks like the Rams are in complete control of that, so they'll be advancing unless there's something crazy that goes on. Bitcoin looks like let's go back to Bitcoin just for a second. Just because normally what you do if you take out one of your levels and you say that's been invalidated, and really because this is just action from today, that it could extend. We could have an extension on the one and it's still the same setup with the 1, 2, 3. But we got to take out that high today, which was like 97. We'll call it 97.4. 97.4, but it is having a nice day today. And we had our first real profit on trading the Bitcoin after so many struggles last year. We are now 2 for 2 on our Bitcoin and Bitcoin proxy swing trades. In fact, I'll do the math up here, but so as of what date? As of the 10th, we were at 93,857 thus far this year in swing trades, and now we have to add that 13,000 to that, and we are currently, did we put how many trades that was? Whatever it is, like 10 for 10 now on swing trades in the 20 and the 25. But we do have a swing trade that is way down in its whiskey that at some point, if it continues to fail, and I mean fail, like if we start getting, and it wouldn't even fail if it went into the 83s. Under that, if you start getting into the 82s, I'm going to feel very upset because it's just not making sense right now what's going on with the TLT, because the yields, the long-term 10, 20, 30-year yields should be coming down. I think they're down a bit today, but they need to start really making their way down for our TLT position to pay off. So like, subscribe, comment, share this video and this channel with a lovable friend, and I will see you in the next video.